Not all guns are designed to shoot like crazy. Some are simply designed for their aesthetic appeal, ease of use, budget friendliness, or even market demands. But having a gun that can shoot a lot of rounds in a few seconds has advantages and disadvantages. I don't know about you, but I think that power is one of the qualities I look out for before buying a gun. We live in a world that's full of threats, and there's a rapid increase in crime every day. What better way to ensure our security than having a Wildfire gun by your side? Wildfire guns have increased fire rate and incredible stomping compared to other guns. These Wildfire guns that we're about to show you are the best of the best. If you'd like to get the best videos on firearms, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss an upload. And now, let's talk about the best Wildfire guns. The civilian version of the FN-MK NATO battle rifle, the FN-SCAR 17S, is known for its reliability, precision, and firepower. It's part of the SCAR, or Special Operations Forces Combat Assault Rifle family, developed by FN Herstal. The 17S variant is chambered in 7.62 by 51mm NATO, which significantly contributes to its power and effectiveness as a battle rifle. This semi-automatic rifle features a free-floating barrel, ambidextrous controls, and a folding stock. The 7.62 NATO cartridge provides substantial stopping power, effective for short and long-range engagement. This caliber is known for penetrating barriers and delivering significant energy transfer upon impact, which is crucial in combat scenarios. Not just that, the FN-SCAR 17S has a rate of fire of 600 rounds per minute. That's pretty crazy firepower. As for the price, the FN-SCAR 17S is a high-end rifle with a price tag of $2,500 to $3,500. But with its military-grade features, the FN-SCAR 17S is a great choice if you're looking for a powerful, accurate, and versatile weapon. Talking about tactical geniuses with genuine and raw power, the Benelli M4 could easily pass off as the best of them. It's a semi-automatic shotgun that uses an auto-regulating gas-operated system designed and approved by the U.S. Marine Corps, enhancing its reliability and reducing recoil. This system allows the shotgun to cycle effectively with various ammunition types. However, it struggles with lower power loads, so you'll appreciate the M4's ability to handle more powerful rounds, improving its tactical performance. The M4 has been adopted by armed forces worldwide, including Italy, the US, and the UK, and has seen action in various conflicts. The power of the Benelli M4 primarily comes from its 12-gauge ammunition, capable of delivering substantial stopping power. This shotgun can effectively fire a variety of loads, including buckshot and slugs, which makes it suitable for both close-quarters combat and longer-range engagement. The stopping power of the M4 is often highlighted as it can incapacitate threats quickly, crucial in defensive situations. You can expect to pay around $2,000 for the Benelli M4, but you can be sure you're getting a pristine and powerful gun. If revolvers are more of your thing and you like a powerful one, then the Colt Python 357 is a formidable choice. This revolver is so powerful because it's chambered in 357 Magnum cartridge, a cartridge widely celebrated for its impressive and ballistic performance. The 357 Magnum round can generate over 500 foot-pounds of energy when fired from the Python's barrel, making it a formidable self-defense and hunting round, able to take down large game animals and human threats reliably. Because of this caliber, this revolver is considered one of the most powerful revolvers on the market. The Colt Python is also celebrated for its elegant design, which includes features like a serrated hammer spur and knurling on the ejector rod. The front sight is designed for easy acquisition, while the rear sight is fully adjustable, allowing for precise aiming. As for its price, you can buy the Colt Python 357 Magnum, which costs around $1,300 depending on the model that you choose. The next pistol on our list, the Desert Eagle 50AE, is another classic example of power in a gun. Only a few other pistols can match the power of the Desert Eagle 50AE, certainly in a class of its own. The 50 cartridge that it uses is one of the largest and most powerful cartridges available in a production handgun, which makes the Desert Eagle a popular choice among those seeking maximum power in a pistol. Depending on the load, the 50AE can produce over 1,500 foot-pounds of energy, significantly higher than any other handgun calibers. This power level makes it effective for self-defense and hunting larger game. Also, the typical bullet weight for the 50AE is around 300 grains, with muzzle velocities reaching approximately 1,500 feet per second. This combination results in substantial stopping power and penetration capabilities. There's no fear when you have this by your side because it can challenge and win any gun battle. This pistol costs around $1,400 and goes up to $3,000. The Smith & Wesson Model 500 is a powerful revolver revered as one of the most potent handguns in the world. The Model 500 is a 5-shot revolver which is standard for its size and caliber. It features a robust design with a large frame, allowing it to handle the intense recoil generated by the powerful 500 Magnum cartridge. The revolver is available in various barrel lengths, including 4-inch and 8.3-inch options, catering to different preferences and uses. The Model 500 is relatively heavy, weighing around 4.5 pounds. This weight helps to absorb recoil, making it more manageable for shooters despite the power of the cartridge. Talking about power, the Model 500 is chambered for the 500 S&W Magnum, a cartridge that delivers up to 2,600 foot-pounds of energy. This makes it capable of taking down large games and providing significant stopping power for self-defense situations. Only one shot is enough to displace any target. No matter the threat, this revolver can match it. As for the price, you can expect to pay anywhere from $1,200 to $800 for this revolver. The Walther PDP Compact is a versatile and modular pistol designed for various uses, including everyday carry and duty applications. It features a unique design that combines advanced ergonomics with performance-oriented features. It's a striker-fired pistol, and you already know what that means: incredible power. This model is equipped with a new performance duty trigger, which has been praised for its quality, making it one of the best factory polymer striker-fired triggers available. Not just that, the PDP Compact comes with a factory-milled optics-ready slide, which enhances its usability for those who prefer red dot sights. This means that even with incredible power, it also has exceptional accuracy that most pistols lack. Just point, aim, and shoot with precision. The PDP Compact is noted for its modularity, offering 2 different frame sizes and 3 slide lengths, which allows you to fit your needs. This pistol costs around $700, which isn't as expensive as most guns on the list, but it's certainly not lesser in quality. The Heckler Koch G36 or Gewehr 36 is a prominent assault rifle developed in the early 1990s by the German firearms manufacturer Heckler Koch. It was designed to meet the needs of modern infantry and has been widely used by various military and law enforcement agencies worldwide. The rifle features a significant amount of polymer construction, which helps reduce its weight while maintaining durability. This design choice has been praised for its lightweight nature and criticized for potential issues in extreme conditions. The G36 has been adopted by numerous military forces, including the Bundeswehr and German armed forces, indicating that it's synonymous with power. However, it's faced scrutiny and criticism over the years, particularly regarding its performance in high-temperature environments, leading to discussions about its replacement. Despite these concerns, it remains a formidable choice for a powerful and accurate pistol. Talking prices, the Heckler Koch G36 ranges from $1,300 to $3,000 for the civilian models. So there you have it, guys. the top 7 Wildfire guns that possess so much power. We hope you like this review and look forward to your engaging comment. So which of the guns we've reviewed would you like to own or add to your collection? Have you shot any of these before? If so, what's your experience like with them? Kindly let us know in the comments below. If you've yet to subscribe to our channel, please do so now, and also remember to give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and turn on notifications for all of our videos so you don't miss out on subsequent updates. Thanks a lot for watching. We have lots more videos lined up just for you to get started with already, so do well to check them out.